Okay, welcome to the final video for this series. We have question 31 to 35. Okay, question 31 says, in a survey of 100 students, 60 take mathematics, blah 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 blah. Okay, what I do normally do to answer this kind of question, I usually draw the Venn diagram. So the Venn diagram has to do with physics, chemistry, and maths. So you have to draw 3 circles. Let's call here maths, let's call here chemistry, and let's call here physics. Okay, in a survey of 100 students, that is in this big square, you have the universal set is equal to 100. That is a survey of 100 students. 60 take mathematics. That is 60 take mathematics. Don't put 60 here. This one is for mathematics only. The next 60 take mathematics, so all the numbers that are inside this circle will sum up to 60. 60 take mathematics. 45 take physics. So physics is equal to 45. And 30 take chemistry. So chemistry is equal to 30. 20 take both mathematics and physics. Mathematics and physics. This is what? 20. 15 take mathematics and chemistry. This is mathematics and chemistry. This is 15. And 10 take physics and chemistry. So this physics and chemistry. This is 10. And 5 take all 3 subjects. So you can put 5 here. 5 take all 3 subjects. So now with this 5 that take all 3 subjects, we can find out what these 3 pencils are. Then we can then finally find out what this last place is. So we have 15 minus 5, that is 10. So 10 takes maths and chemistry only. 20 minus 5, that is 15. So 15 takes maths and physics only. 10 minus 5, that is 5. So only 5 takes chemistry and physics only. Okay? The next one that we can find now is how many takes each of these subjects only. 60, no, let's just do 10 plus 5, that's 15, plus 15, that's 30. 60 minus 30, that's 30, so 30 takes maths only. 10 plus 5, that's 15, plus 5, that's 20. 30 minus 20, that's 10, so 10 takes chemistry only. 15 plus 5, that's 20, 20 plus 5, that's 25. 45 minus 25, that's 20, so 20 takes physics only. So now the question says, how many students take at least one of these 3 subjects? That is, takes at least one of these 3 subjects. So it is the number of students that are inside this shape. How many takes at least one? That means there will be a number x that does not take any subject at all. So we have 30 plus 10, that's 20, that's 40, plus 10, that is 50. 50 plus 15, that is 65, plus 5, that is 70, plus 5, that is 75, plus 20, that is 95. So 95 students are inside this bracket. That means only 5 students don't take anything at all. So that's option D, 31. 31, option D. Let's go to the next question. Question 32. For what value of R does the geometric series have a sum 12 if the first term is blah blah blah? What term is 3? So without confusing you, that is something infinity is A divided by 1 minus R. You see that the first term is what? The first term is 3 and the sum is 12. So we have to find the value of R. So we have 3 divided by 1 minus R is equal to 12. So if you do cross multiplication, you have 12 times 1 minus R is equal to 3. Divide both sides by 12, you have 1 minus R is equal to 1 over 4. Do some simple math, you have R is equal to 3 over 4. That is, if you move R here, you move this one here, you have 1 minus 1 over 4, that's 3 over 4. So we have R is equal to 3 over 4 as option C. 32, option C. The next question now is question 33. Question 33 says, convert 0.12 into its simplest fraction. Now, without doing much calculation, just do 12 here is what's under the that slash, and then to get 12, you have to do 100, so that's just going to be 99 here. Divide by 3 here, you have 4. Divide by 3 here, you have 33. That's option C. 33 is option C. And that option here is 12 over 99, which is actually here 12 over 99, but they said in the simplest fraction form. So 12 over 99 is not the simplest form. So 12 over 99 is not correct. So we have 32 now. Which of the following correctly describes the relationship among the sets of natural numbers n, integers, blah 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 blah? The only correct answer here is going to be option D, no, option E, which says natural numbers are inside the set of integers which are stored inside the set of rational numbers, and irrational numbers are not contained in rational numbers, and that is correct. Option E is correct. So we have question 34, option E. The final question is actually a technical question because I don't know if most people reasoned the way the lecturer reasoned. But the final question says, which of the following numbers is irrational? Crazy question. Okay, which of them is irrational? The first number is the square root of 50 minus 5 root 2. So we have the square root of 50 minus 5 root 2. What's square root of 50? Square root of 50 is square root of 25 times 2 minus 5 root 2. Square root of 25 is 5 root 2 minus 5 root 2. This is simply just 0, and 0 is a rational number. The number is irrational. So I'm looking for a number that is not a rational number. This is a rational number, so this is not going to be the correct answer. So this is a rational number. The next one now is square root of 18 divided by square root of 2. Square root of 18 divided by square root of 2 is same thing as square root of 9 times square root of 2 divided by square root of 2, which is simply just square root of 9, which is simply just 3. And 3 is a rational number, so no, that's not what we're looking for. The next one is square root of 8 plus square root of 18 minus 5 root 2. Square root of 8 plus square root of 18. Square root of 8 square root of is 2 root 2 plus 3 root 2 minus 5 root 2. So this is just simply just 0. The final one is 3 root 2 divided by root 8, which is simply just 3 over 4. This is also a rational number. So we have 0, 3, 0, and 3 over 2. So that is all. They are all rational numbers. So the correct answer is the E, which is none of the above. That is all numbers here are rational numbers. So none of them are irrational numbers. So question 35 is E, none of the above. Well, that brings us to the end of this series. See you in the next exam that we write. I guess so.